What if you could know where Warren Buffett invested most of his fortune? In the next 10 minutes, you will know the top 10 stock positions Warren Buffett holds. These are the investment secrets Warren Buffett never hid. But only a few of us know what they are and why they are worth it. The reason why these stock positions are lucrative is simple: they can make you rich with no substantial risks. Warren Buffett is one of the most seasoned investors with over a $356 billion investment portfolio. Even if many investors have an illusion that they are following Warren Buffett, they don't invest in stocks that Warren Buffett holds. In this video, let's look at the top 10 stock positions Warren Buffett holds. These 10 stock positions make up 87% of Warren Buffett's $356 billion portfolio. By the end of the video, you will know which stock has Warren Buffett's most fortune. Let's get started. Number 10. Activision Blizzard. Warren Buffett started investing in Activision Blizzard in 2021 when Microsoft announced it would be buying all Activision Blizzard stocks. Warren Buffett gradually used this insight to make his move and started adding more shares with every passing day. Today, Warren Buffett holds Activision Blizzard stocks worth $5.3 billion, making 1.77% of his portfolio. The reason why Warren Buffett invested in Activision Blizzard is interesting. It's a video game company that Microsoft was earlier buying at $95 per share price. However, the price went down to $75, and Warren Buffett bought the stocks for an instant profit. Now, if Microsoft wants to buy Activision Blizzard, it has to pay $95 per share, while Warren Buffett bought it at $75. In simple words, Warren Buffett can make an instant profit. However, he later admitted that he could lose all the money he invested in the company if something went wrong. Number 9. U.S. Bancorp. Warren Buffett trusts the banking and financial institutions, which is why he holds U.S. Bancorp stocks. He started investing in U.S. Bancorp in 1989, and today, he holds stocks worth $5.513 billion, making 1.84% of his total portfolio. U.S. Bancorp is one of the largest banking institutions in the U.S., offering ATM, processing, leasing and insurance services. Warren Buffett knew the banking sector would linger, so he invested most of his capital in various banking and financial firms. Number 8. Moody's Corporation. Moody's is a financial evaluation firm that publishes bond and credit ratings of private and government companies around the world. The ratings that Moody gives to financial firms decide the credibility and performance of the firms. In turn, it decides whether or not investors should invest in those firms. Simply put, Moody's is a powerful firm that decides all companies' future. That's why Warren Buffett started investing in Moody's in 2000, and today, he holds stocks worth $6.709 billion. These stocks make up 2.24% of Warren Buffett's portfolio. Before we continue further, tell us, are you loving the video? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos about all financial topics. Let's continue now. Number 7. Occidental Petroleum. Warren Buffett started investing in Occidental Petroleum in 2019, and most analysts think he wants to buy 100% of the company's stocks gradually. Today, Warren Buffett holds Occidental Petroleum stocks worth $9.335 billion, which make up 3.11% of his portfolio. Occidental Petroleum has a market cap of $64.13 billion. In simple words, Warren Buffett holds 15% of Occidental Petroleum's total stocks. He has invested in this energy company because 80% of the crude oil and natural gas production of Occidental Petroleum comes from the U.S. Since Warren Buffett knows the energy market will stay longer than we expect, he has invested in both multinational and domestic energy companies for solid returns. Oil and gas demand will stay, and the energy crisis is further hiking prices, bringing returns for Warren Buffett. Number 6. Kraft Heinz. Kraft Heinz is one of the biggest food and beverage companies, producing products like ketchup, cheese, snacks, drinks, and processed foods. It became the reason why Warren Buffett started investing in Kraft Heinz in 2013 because consumer staple companies always generate revenues. Today, Warren Buffett holds Kraft Heinz stocks worth $12.419 billion, making up 4.14% of his portfolio. Number 5. American Express. Warren Buffett first bought American Express stocks in 1991, and today, he holds stocks worth $21.016 billion, making 7% of his portfolio. American Express is another financial firm that shows that Warren Buffett believes it will offer solid returns in the long term. He has invested in American Express because it's one of the largest credit card providers in the US, and earns a massive interest rate that way. Since people require capital these days, American Express offers credit and thus, it can increase its revenue further. Plus, it pulls in great revenue from payment processing and transactions. Number 4. Chevron, with investment starting at the end of 2020, Warren Buffett today holds Chevron stocks worth $23.373 billion, making 79% of his portfolio. Even though Warren Buffett added Chevron quite late to his portfolio, today, he has enough of its stocks and for good reasons. First, Chevron is the second largest U.S. energy company and one of the few multinational energy companies on the planet. Warren Buffett knows petroleum and energy are products that will stay for decades and coexist with green energy. That's the reason why he plans to keep increasing investments in energy companies. Number 3. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is one of Warren Buffett's oldest stock positions because he started investing in Coca-Cola in 1988. Today, he holds Coca-Cola stocks worth $25.164 billion, which make up 8.38% of his portfolio. Why Warren Buffett has vowed never to sell Coca-Cola stocks is clear. It's the biggest consumer staple company that will sell its sports and soft drinks at all times. If we see a recession or any other crisis, people will not leave drinking Coca-Cola. Plus, the company has offered phenomenal dividends and solid returns. All this makes Coca-Cola an evergreen company Warren Buffett doesn't want to miss. Number 2. Bank of America. Warren Buffett started investing in Bank of America in 2011, and today, he holds stocks worth $31.45 billion, which makes up about 10.47% of his total portfolio. Warren Buffett invested in a financial sector involving risks because he knew that the economic recession was for a few quarters, while the returns lasted for years. Since the Bank of America is the leading financial firm with bank holdings, it will be the only one benefiting from the interest rate hikes. When the Fed increases interest rates, the Bank of America will reap the most benefit by offering loans, credits and mortgages. Number 1. Apple. Warren Buffett called Apple one of the 4 giants Berkshire Hathaway invested in. The latest data shows Warren Buffett has invested approximately $122.34 billion in Apple since 2016. In other words, Apple stocks make up 40.7% of Warren Buffett's portfolio. But why has he invested such a large capital in a single company? Warren Buffett knows Apple is the biggest publicly traded company that can bring innovative products to its customers. Since Apple has the most loyal customers, its sales will continue to increase in the future without any decline. The biggest reason why Warren Buffett believes in Apple is its exceptional capital return program by offering dividends to shareholders. Did you know Warren Buffett holds Apple stocks worth $122.34 billion? Comment right below in the comments section. Would you want to invest only in Apple or diversify your portfolio by investing in all these stocks? Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos related to finance and investment. Until the next video, stay tuned.